Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that we recently discovered and think you might find pretty interesting, the infrared sauna blanket. We've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the infrared sauna blanket? This innovative wellness device is designed to provide you with the benefits of a sauna right in the comfort of your own home. It's a portable heating blanket that utilizes infrared technology to create a cozy, warm environment for relaxation, detoxification, and even weight loss. With a temperature range from 77 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, you can customize your experience to suit your comfort level. Let's take a closer look at some of the most important features of this sauna blanket. One of the standout aspects is its 3-zone control system. This feature allows you to adjust the heat settings for different areas of your body, meaning you can focus on warming specific muscle groups or simply enjoy an all-over warming experience. The blanket is also designed with high-quality materials that are both durable and easy to clean, ensuring that you can enjoy it for years to come. Another great feature is its portability. The infrared sauna blanket comes with a convenient carrying bag, making it easy to take along to yoga classes, retreats, or even on vacation. This makes it an excellent option for those who lead busy lifestyles but still want to prioritize self-care and relaxation. Now, you might be wondering, who is this product suitable for? The infrared sauna blanket is perfect for anyone looking to alleviate stress, improve circulation, or detoxify their body. It can be particularly beneficial for athletes seeking to enhance recovery after workouts, as well as those who struggle with muscle tension or chronic pain. Additionally, if you're someone who enjoys a good sweat session without the need to visit a traditional sauna, this blanket is a fantastic alternative. In terms of practical use cases, the infrared sauna blanket can be integrated seamlessly into your daily routine. You can use it while watching TV, reading a book, or even meditating. Many users find that dedicating just 30 minutes a day to their sauna blanket can help them feel more relaxed and rejuvenated. Some people also incorporate it into their skincare routines, as the heat can promote better blood flow and enhance skin health. Overall, the infrared sauna blanket is an excellent investment for anyone looking to enhance their wellness journey. With its portable design, customizable settings, and range of health benefits, it's an ideal companion for relaxation and detoxification. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget